Okay, so tell me if this has happened to you. You opened your desktop, you put your Windows on update, and then just got stuck there. Either you see the update stuck at 0%, 20%, 99%, or a strange code like this on your screen. Typically feels like that Microsoft is doing it on a purpose to irritate us. But it's not like that. That's why I went through a lot of sufferings and then figured out some simple basic methods to fix your Windows 11 update error. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching Get Assist, and let's get rid of those frustrating Windows 11 updating errors. No confusing tech talk, no complicated tools, just few easy steps that actually works. So the first method is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Start by going to the settings and then select System. Now go to Troubleshoot and click on the other troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. The Windows Update Troubleshooter will find and fix the common problem issues, and sometimes this small step is enough to fix your Windows Update error. Check the storage and internet connection. Basically guys, before getting deeper into troubleshooting, just get checked on these two simple and little things. Number one, if your Wi-Fi or your internet connection is stable or not. And the other thing is, you must have 10 to 20 GB of data free up on your PC. See, Windows needs some sufficient amount of space to install and update your Windows. So make sure you should have enough space on your device by deleting some unwanted stuff. And if your connection drops during the update, obviously it will get stuck. There is no rocket science here. Also, turn off any of the VPN if you are using it, and unplug any of the hard drive or USB if you are using it with your computer. And here I am talking about the external ones, because these can disturb the update identity checkups sometimes. Number 3 is clear the update cache. Here's another quick fix for Windows 11 update error. You need to clear up the cache of your update from your computer. Just access your file explorer, go to C drive, select Windows and click on Software Distribution folder. Now press Ctrl plus A, then Shift plus Delete and remove everything. These are actually the leftover update files that can. Deleting them forces Windows to download fresh files, which actually helps during the update errors. Number 4. Reset Windows Update Services. Now I will cover some advanced options that you can cover on your own. First of all, you need to reset the core window update components, and then you have to see whether it's working for you or not. Just follow along. Search CMD, command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Then type these commands on your screen one by one. This will reset the update engine completely. But remember, these commands won't work if you forgot to run command prompt as administrator. Next one is repair system files. If your system files are damaged, then the update won't take place. You need to fix them first. Just run these two commands on the command prompt and you will be good to go. These commands can repair corrupted system files and Windows image error. Microsoft itself recommend you to do these things to fix your Windows update error. This may take a while, so be patient and let it finish itself. Fix number 6. Ensure your Windows update services are running or not. So next we need to check if your Windows update services should be active, for which you need to just press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press enter. Now look for Windows Update, BITS, which means Background Intelligent Transfer Services, and Cryptographic Services, and make sure all the status says running and the startup type is automatic. Restarting these services will help the Windows to update properly. Now, if your update is stuck from 0% to 99% and feels like it will stuck forever, then this point is for you. First of all, restart your PC and try to update again. If still does not work, restart the PC and then press 5 or F5. That will take it to the safe mode to boot your device with networking. And now try to update in the safe mode, and this is usually the final fix for all the Windows update errors. And if after trying all of these 7 methods you are still stuck with the Windows update error, then my friend, you should consult a professional or a customer care of your Windows or contact the customer support. And that's how you can fix your Windows update error by using all these methods or one of them that suits your type. And if you fix the error, then kudos, you can hit the like button. And if you found this video useful and informative, which it is actually, and fixed your error, then you should go and hit the like button. Comment down your thoughts or query if any. And what else? Just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I will meet you in the next one.